Hola, Jaleesa here and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be organizing a pantry. We have some standalone shelves that we'll be putting in there and I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product.
Now before we get into the final reveal, let's take a rewind so that you guys can see what my client's space looked like prior to us revamping it. As you can see, the main problem here is that she lacks shelving, and she did the best she can by placing as much as she can on the shelves, but unfortunately it's just not enough space, and that led her to leaving things on the floor, which is not the prettiest. It becomes a eyesore, and she realized that that was a problem, so we're gonna fix it.
Okay, so as you can see, the pantry is now completely cleared. Yes. We were going to paint it, but my client decided that painting, let me flip you guys around because why am I talking to you like this? So, oh, where's the lighting? Okay, so, oh, my client decided that it wasn't a priority, but she's now saying in the background that she regrets it. But the show must go on, so we have to put the shelves and we have to get everything up. And I guess at some point, we just not have to take everything out and paint. But she regrets it. It is what it is.
So I decided to go with standalone shelves because after calculating the price for shelves that go directly into the wall, it was just way too expensive for the amount of shelves that I need, and for it to cover the perimeter. I was just like, it's better for us to save a buck and get these standalone shelves, and we can get it in the sizing we need and we can make it work. And so that's what I chose.
So we have now completed the entire pantry. And I'm just gonna give you a look of it. So we have all her sauces together. Over here is all of her canned goods. I tried to separate them as best as I could, but without taking up too much real estate. So that's why you have some one-off things in this one area here. So you have the cut okra. These are just one-off items. Even this is. Then everything else we try to keep together.
So as you're watching, I know a lot of you are probably asking, where are the pretty bins and the airtight containers with such beautiful labels on it? And I just wanted to, stop in and let you guys know that that wasn't a priority for my client. She is a chef and she found it more important to be able to easily locate what she's looking for and pull it off of the shelves. So we collectively decided to scrap that expense and just choose what works for her. At the end of the day, when you're working with a client, you have to make sure that what you're doing is working for them. And the bins and the pretty containers, although we may love it, it wasn't something that she found would work for her.
And when you look over here, there's a lot of like retail space that is not being used. So I was telling her at some point she could put some hooks in this area, and then she could hang these bags right here on those hooks so they're no longer behind the door. And I think this is all.
As always, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.